Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to cut and sew this trending stylish gathered gown. It is a perfect gown for any occasion, so you have to watch to the end to understand the full process of making this gown. If you are yet to subscribe, please do so, like, comment and share. Let's get right into the video. To start cutting, I will fold my fabric in two. Mark the neck width 3.5. But before I proceed, I will come down by 1 inch to cut out the English edge from the fabric. Next is my shoulder measurement divided by 2 to get 7. I mark the armhole 8.5. Mark the shoulder measurement from here, then connect the points. From the shoulder, I will mark the half length, which is 15.5 inches. Then from the half length, I will mark the hip line. After the hip line, I'm going to mark the gown length. Now after marking these 3 important lines, I will come here and mark the bust size divided by 4 to get 9.5. Come to the half length line and mark the waist size divided by 4 to get 8. Hip size divided by 4 to get 11. Now I'm going to add 12 inches to the hip line. To the waistline and to the bust line. Please guys, I advise you add 8 inches and not 12 if you don't want the gather to be full. Next, I will mark the sleeve length, which is 24, then come down by 2 inches from the shoulder line. Then connect it just like this. From the bust line to the waistline, I will fold my tape into 2, then mark the middle point. Next is the round hand measurement divided by 2 plus 2 extra. Now I'm going to connect the mark points. Mark ½ inch at the down. Come down with 1.5 inches at the neck, then connect it to the shoulder. If this was a regular hem cutting pattern, I will mark the armhole here. But you don't need a armhole pattern for this dress. All you need is the bust size measurement and the extra inches to form the gather. Now cut out the shape. After cutting, fold and keep aside. Place another fabric folded in 2 to cut the front piece. Then place the back piece on it. Adjust well to leave an extra of 1.5 inches for the button line. come down by 6.5 inch for the V-neck. Now pin them together, then trace cut the shape. Cut the neck. Cut open the button line. Notch the down. Mark out the button line, then notch the neck. Next, I will keep the back piece, then iron gum stitch through the neck and the button line. After ironing the gum stay, place the lining through the front like this. Then sew the neck to the down. Sew the sides. Then sew the shoulder. This is the lining. I will do the same for the second front piece. Then also sew the lining for the back piece. After sewing the lining, I will bring the bridle, which is 6 inches wide. Pin it to the down. After pinning, sew it straight. Then fold it like this and sew the top. After sewing the down, this is how it looks. Now I'm just going to place the front piece and pin them together. Now I'm going to place the front and the back piece together and sew the shoulder. I'll open and place the dress. Bring the bridle, which is 4 inches wide. Place and pin it on the hand. After pinning, sew it straight. Turn it to the front. Fold and sew on top. I'll do the same for the second hand. After sewing the bridle on the hand, turn it to the back. Then sew the sides. Now from the shoulder, mark the half-length line round the gown. After marking the half-length line, come down with 1 inch from the half-length line. Also mark it round the gown. Now bring my 2 inches wide bridle. Place it on the half-length line then sew it round. After that, fold and sew the fabric on the 1-inch line. Now after sewing the bridle around the half-length line, I will carefully insert the rope inside, bring it out and adjust the gown very well. Then sew the buttons. So guys, this is how to make this gown. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.